Connecting data across different tabs. I'm not going to explain SUMIF, VLOOKUP, and HLOOKUP because it's quite a basic and many people know about this. But what about index match and concatenate and combination? 2 and 3s are connected to each other, related to each other. Let's jump into the Excel model. So FS, we have a data, but based on this data, I would like to present some of selected items only because I don't want to show this entire financial model to the management or stakeholders. So I want to pick up these numbers. And the index match is the best way to do this. Let me explain the Excel formula first and then come back to explain what it means. So index match, start from index. Index, which means which area are we talking about? Which tab are we talking about? So index, choose everything as FS. Yeah. And then continue, going back to summary. Sorry, going back to summary and continue, match. So match, first, we're talking about row, where the location of the data in terms of row. So match is like a lookup function. Match, I am looking for total revenue. Okay, total revenue. And need to fix this A, because I want to copy and paste and move around, but I don't want to move out from this column. So fix A. So I'm looking for total revenue. In the FS tab, total revenue should be located in somewhere in A. And you need to fix it. And then perfect match. Again, you need to set up the total revenue here and here, right? You can search from this, which is this C? Yeah, you can search from C as well, but easier to set up outside of your table. That's easier to handle. So, okay, again, the row, the location of the data in terms of row is searching your total revenue here. Yeah, searching this total revenue from FSA. That's the first step, match. And the next one is match. Again, go back to summary. Sorry, I'm just explaining and moving around the table, so that's why it shows something wrong. But okay, match. And then now you're looking for by the date. So the date is this one, February end. I am looking for information matching to this February end. And you need to fix 7 because you don't want to go around 7. And then where is the date information located? It's actually here in this line, right? So row 9, fix it, and perfect match. And done. So you get this number. Total revenue, 201K. So this means total revenue related to or in and matching to February end 2023. That's the data. So this index match, what this means that you are first selecting where the data is located in the first place. It's from FS tab. Everything is in FS. And then the match function, you have 2 match formula. The first match is identifying the location of the data in terms of row. Where is the data is located in terms of row? And then the last part of the match is where the column, where the data is located in terms of column. So this will be identifying the address of the data. So in this case, where is that? Are we able to see the number? Actually, we cannot see the numbers, but this will show the location, 2 location. Because if you have a row, identify which row is it, which column is it, there's only 1 numbers available, right? So let's look at this number. So this is the February, right? February and total revenue. and look at the February 2023, February 2023, the revenue number is this. Yeah. So this data transferred into this summary. And you can copy and paste to the rest of the part. Oops, something is wrong. Okay. Let's work it on. Gross profit, it looks okay. Oh, yeah. I think you need to fix this FS location just in case it doesn't move around. Yep. And then you copy and paste for everything. And the numbers comes up. Yeah. And the good thing is if you want to change some items, now I want to show headcount cost instead of ending balance of cash. You can change it, but you need to change this, or you can equal this, whichever you like. And now you're showing the headcount cost here, right? So it's easy to change. And also you can even change. It's actually, I want to show 2024 end of January, and then the number was swapped. This is how you do it. Okay. Let's think about the annual number, yearly number. How do we get this? So simply, if you just copy and paste this, some numbers comes up, right? But is it right? Actually, it's wrong, because you think this is wrong because this is the monthly amount, right? Monthly amount is 200, around 200K, and this shows yearly 200K, which is totally wrong, right? It cannot be, right? At least like multiply 12 will be the annual numbers, but it's not showing that level of numbers. So it's something is wrong. Because, of course, it's wrong. Because now looking at total revenue, but looking for this December ends. But December end doesn't represent, this is yearly or quarterly numbers. It doesn't represent anything because there is only one number as at December 31st, right? So go back to the FS tab, the annual number you're looking for, total revenue, right? Total revenue, annual number is here, 2023, right? So 2.4 million. So this should be the case. And you have some numbers, sorry, this is nothing to do with it. You have some numbers here, 2023, December 31st. This should be the key, but the issue is this date is existing in somewhere else in the monthly section. Same number, same date are here. Yeah. So that's why the index match cannot search the number. So in this case, how we can do this is using the concatenate and the combination. The concatenate first, you can create this months and year. You can identify this is the 2023 and the month 12. And you can continue working on this. Concatenate of yearly number, because I want to show yearly number, yearly, and this 2023 12th months. So you can combine this information, 12, 2023 yearly. And you can do same thing for the quarterly number, right? The quarterly number is something like, doesn't look like, we cannot look at the big picture. Yeah, 3, 2023 quarterly, right? And monthly data will be, okay, we can look at the exactly same months, which is 2023 December. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Cannot see it, but yeah, 12, 2023, but monthly. Now we have only one unique search key. This is monthly, right? Even though it's same as 12, 2023, but this is monthly. And the annual one is annual, yearly, says yearly. So it's different. Now both are different. So we can use this search key instead of searching by the date. So we can change this. Okay, let's create from scratch. Index, same thing. Entire seat and fix it. Fix it. I'm looking for total revenue, which is fine. And the total revenue is located this column A and perfect match. And the column location, I am looking for this one because this must be only one. So I'm looking for this information. Wait, you don't see it. Yeah, this information should be available in this first line. Yeah, and then 0. Sorry, perfect match. Oops, something is wrong. Yeah, this is wrong because forgot to put much for the revenue. Yeah, and copy and paste. Yeah, this works. Okay, this is how you can use the concatenate and combination. The purpose is very simple. The purpose is to make the search key, let me call this search key unique, because it may be possible to have the same information in the same line. So in order to identify the location as a unique search key, you need to create a unique search key first. Oh, by the way, I didn't explain the concatenate. So the concatenate itself is just to put this concatenate and two cells. And if you want to put some space, you can put some space, right? So the concatenate is very simple. Concatenate is like if there's an A and B as just wording, and you can combine this. Concatenate. So nate, two things. And it comes, wait, sorry, it's something wrong. So concatenate, and then this and this, right? It shows AB. Yeah. This is how it works in concatenate.